In this video, I'll be showing you guys the newest certificate for eSign on your iOS device without computer and jailbreak. With eSign, you guys can download your favorite IPAs with just a few steps, making it the most reliable signer, working for iOS 15 all the way up to iOS 26. So the first thing that you guys have to do is just go to the developer's official website. I will leave a link in the description down below. And what we first have to do is click on download DNS profile, which is required. And then it'll say that it is trying to download a configuration profile. Do you allow this? Click allow. And now in settings, you guys can just go to VPN and device management after going to general, scrolling all the way down until you do see that. And then just find the profile, or it'll say at the top when you first open up settings that there is a profile downloaded. So you guys are just going to click on install here, enter in your passcode, click install. And now that the profile has been installed, you guys can go back to the developer's website. And now if you guys scroll down, you guys can see all of the eSign ones here. And as of recording this video, the very first one here, this Beijing certificate, is the one that is working. So you guys can click install here. But if, let's just say, for example, it isn't working, then you guys can try any of these over here. There are so many certificates that you can try, and one of them is bound to work. Right now, the Beijing one is working, which is the very first one. So click install. It'll say raw.githubusercontent.com would like to install eSign. Click install. And now you guys can just go back to your home screen and start to see it install here. And now that you guys let it run, if you guys click on the actual certificate here, it'll say untrusted enterprise developer. So now we have to go back into settings. And now in settings, you guys are just going to go back to VPN and device management, and you guys are going to click on the Beijing certificate here, and you guys have to click trust. But if you guys trust, you guys will have to restart. So what I'm going to do is restart and come back. And now once you guys have restarted your device, you guys can open up the eSign app here, and then just click on allow here, click on next, and agree to the user agreement. And so now if we go into settings, you guys can see the certificate is already there and its expiry is in 2 months. And so now if you guys just go down to files here, and then you guys click on the 3 dots in the top right, and then if you guys click import from files, you guys can now sideload the IP that you guys want. So just click on that, and then just locate the IP that you guys do want to download. For me, I'm going to download Old OS. And if you guys want to know how to get the Old OS IPA, I will leave the video in the top right. Anyways, you guys are just going to click on the Old OS IPA here, click open. And then it'll say success, imported Old OS successfully. Now click on import to app library. And then it'll say imported to app library. So now if we go to apps, you guys can see Old OS here. So now you're going to click on the Old OS, and you guys are going to click on sign here. And also you guys can view package content and do a bunch of other stuff if you guys want. But for this video, I'm just going to do a simple install. So once you guys have clicked signed, just scroll down here. And if you guys want, you guys can turn all of this stuff on. You can see your certificate over here. Everything is set over here. So now click start signing. And then once it has finished installing, it'll say it would like to install Old OS. So click install. And now if we go back to our home page here, as you guys can see, my Old OS is installing over here. And now if I click on my Old OS, as you guys can see, it is working just like it is intended to. Everything works. And yeah, that's pretty much how to install all of the IPAs. Anyways, I hope this video helped. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe. Also, I am making a Discord server and doing some exclusive stuff for members. So make sure that you guys do join. You guys get priority replies. You guys get access to the Discord server and a bunch of other neat things. So make sure that you guys do join as a member. And we're also going to be doing monthly giveaways as well. Thanks for watching.